Hey, hi. Yeah, just wanted to share with you a bit about the market, what has happened the last week and this coming week ahead. Uh, this you can see the Nasdaq has dropped significantly from last month, December at 16,000. It has dropped around 2002. Now it's actually Friday's closing at 13,700, meaning it has dropped around a level of 15%. Analysts are saying that further correction may happen for the big mega tech stocks on in Nasdaq. Well, if you look at the medium cap stocks and the small cap stocks in the Russells, they're actually also going down to new low as well. Basically, all the Nasdaq stocks, I would say a significant majority has dropped to 52-week low, uh, hit past their resistance level. And you can see, okay, I'll just not show you this one first. You can see crypto as well has gone down a lot. Today's closing at 35. It was over 40, um, over 40,000 a couple of days ago. And then this is Shopify, which you can see it was trading at 1,003, one of the big mega tech stocks. you know, and it has gone down to nearly 30 to 40% down just the last 20 days ish. So Amazon is another one that has been hit badly. It used to have a resistance level of 2009 to 3000 and always rebound back to the level. This is the first time it's dropped to this level. So Apple is holding on well. Facebook is down as well. Microsoft is still holding on well. I'd like to share with you this particular video by this person. He's actually, just to play the thing a bit quickly.
Microsoft, right, is more than doubling as well. And Facebook is like more than doubling. It's probably almost tripling, right, over the past 5 years. If you do a double in 5 years, that's basically a 15%, right, year over year compounded rate. So these companies are doing some massive growth with operating income, and it's a very, very impressive. Now, there could be a risk that some of the revenue growth could slow down. The 2-week high is 349. It's down to $296. Operating income. Wow, look at this chart. It's crazy. $74 billion over the past 12 months, up from under $30 billion just 5 years ago. Microsoft.
Yeah, so if you look at all this, right, this particular guy, he's Dave Lee, quite a famous YouTuber. He was actually explaining on these five particular stocks, the Microsoft, the Facebook, which is under the ticker symbol Meta Holdings, Amazon, Apple, and Google. Their revenue, all of them are pretty consistent. They have gone for the past 5 years, 100 to nearly 200, all have doubled. In fact, Facebook has actually tripled. If you, I'll check on this. You can go back to this video and check it out. So it actually makes sense that their stock price has actually doubled for since COVID until now, and in accordance with the revenue growth as well as the profits. So, but as you know, because of the sentiment that's happening right now, bashing down Nasdaq and cryptocurrencies, so the FAANG stocks are actually now on fire sale as well. So um, yeah, I just wanted to share another part, which is this particular guy. His name is Date Inside. He believes in Cathy Woods and also saying that there could be a recession coming. And then he is a believer in Dogecoin because he believes Tesla is actually collaborating with Doge to allow Dogecoin. You can use Dogecoin to actually buy Tesla vehicles. So yeah, something to take note. Yeah, this is Meet Kevin, one of the popular guy that always have a huge subscriber. He is actually selling 20 over million of stocks. just to cash out in cash position. But he did say that he will re-enter uh, about another in the next 90 days to redeploy his cash. So even him as well is actually selling to keep to be to preserve cash, and then to buy at a lower dipped instead of buying at the dipped. So if you can see the direction that's going right now is even though the FAANG stocks, which is the market leader for Nasdaq, is still not at overvalue stage, but they are being sold at fire sale right now. And then if you look at certain other YouTubers which has been buying the dip in December's dip and January's dip as well, which has been suffering bad from their portfolio. Some have lost seven figures, and of course then you got the strategy by mid Kevin, which is to cut at this point in time, maybe a bit too late, and then to re-enter again within the next 90 days. So this guy, I'd like to share with you a bit about what he says. Quite
Funny
interesting.
market we're in right now. I've never seen this sort of market since I've been in the stock market for the last 14 years, where S&P 500 is still trading rich, and we still need to drop more there. But yet, S&P 600 is trading that insanely cheap. Like that's crazy, because usually how this works is S&P 600 trades much richer than where S&P 500 is. But yet we are in a flipped market right now. We're in a flip and flapjacked market right now, where S&P 600, like, remember this time period we're going through right now? Because
Okay, what he's trying to say is that the small cap and the medium cap have actually gone down to a very moderate level in terms of an oversold position, and it's probably a good time to enter the small cap stocks. Um, Whereas the big cap stocks at PE of 19, which may still have some downward movement. So I just like to share with you, like Lemonade is one of the stocks that probably may have a good upside. It has dropped down significantly for the last 12 months. From 160 all the way down to 29. So it could be making a turn. Take note of companies that has no PE ratio. In Nasdaq, there's a lot of them like that. So just be careful. You may want to go into Nasdaq stocks that has a PE. Like for example, there are a lot of small caps here, like a cpsh, which is still not too bad. You may have Corsair Gaming, also have a PE stock, means that they actually have made some money. They have a good quarters, profitable quarters. So yeah, immersion is one of them as well. They have good quarters, low PE ratio. Now maybe good time to enter into this kind of stocks right now. So yeah. Um, so basically, the direction I think we will go into for the next 1 week is maybe to clear some of your big cap stocks. Maybe you can buy at the lower price, which is a bit cheaper. So yeah, that's all I want to say for today. Thank you very much.